Cars are your passion. We understand maintaining their beauty is important. SONAX brings you a full complement of environmentally conscious products to help you distinguish yourself and keep your car looking its best. If you're in need of a fast, easy-to-apply sealant, look no further than SONAX High Speed Wax, an essential step after a wash cycle. During the drying process, simply spray a light mist onto a paint surface that has already been cleaned. Then, just wipe down to instantly seal the paint. It's highly effective and delivers a high gloss finish. SONAX High Speed Wax can also be used in between washes or quick spot cleans. SONAX High Speed Wax formula combines high-tech Carnauba wax and a special silicone emulsion that delivers a streak-free, radiant shine lasting many weeks. The formula is also suitable for light cleaning and maintenance of plastic and rubber components. SONAX High Speed Wax, a long-lasting, protective spray wax. Go to sonaxusa.com and order SONAX High Speed Wax today. SONAX, premium German car care.